Landing a plane smoothly is crucial. It ensures passenger comfort and safety. A gentle touchdown minimizes stress on the aircraft. It also provides a more pleasant experience for everyone on board. Passengers feel more confident in a pilot's skills after a smooth landing. Smooth landings are not just about appearances. They reflect a pilot's skill in controlling the aircraft. It demonstrates their understanding of aerodynamics and weather conditions. A skilled pilot makes landings look effortless. Landing a 737 nanogram smoothly requires precision and finesse. It starts with a stabilized approach, maintaining the correct speed and descent rate. Pilots use a combination of ailerons, rudder and elevators to control the aircraft. As the aircraft approaches the runway, the pilot gradually reduces power. They adjust the pitch attitude to maintain the correct descent path. The key is to gently bring the aircraft's main wheels into contact with the runway. One common mistake is landing too hard. This can be caused by approaching the runway too fast. It can also be caused by not flaring or raising the aircraft's nose sufficiently. Landing too hard can be jarring for passengers. It can also potentially damage the aircraft. Another mistake is landing too far down the runway. This reduces the margin for error in case of an emergency. It also increases the wear and tear on the brakes. Pilots should aim for the touchdown zone, which is typically located a certain distance from the runway threshold. Experienced pilots emphasize the importance of anticipating the aircraft's behavior. They recommend making small, smooth control inputs. Over-controlling the aircraft can lead to instability. Always be aware of wind conditions and adjust your approach accordingly. Visual cues are also crucial for a smooth landing. Pilots use the runway markings and their peripheral vision to judge their height and alignment. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the better you will become at landing